Hello and welcome to the Roost. This morning I was creating a cute little piggy card, and that's not actually exactly the reason why I'm talking to you right now. As I was putting together this fun card with the birthday piggy set and the brand new dies that you can get during the month of September, I pulled out this paper. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this paper. And the best way to do that is to show it to you, right? Because, you know, we're pretty visual people, us card makers. So let me flip the camera and I'm going to show you this paper pack and tell you all about it. So when you look in any Stampin' Up! Catalog, you want to take a peek at the back, okay? It's usually in either the very back page or the next one, and you'll see the Hostess gifts. So the fun thing about the Hostess gifts is that you can use your Hostess Rewards, and the items are like half price or less. So in the celebration one going on right now, you can earn this stamp set for free, of course, because it's celebration, right? And all you have to do is have a $300 order. Okay, so it's called a hostess gift because they're generally designed for when you have a party, but some of us purchase enough, we're like a party of one. So when you have your party of one, always look in the back of all of the current catalogs to see if there's anything that you like there. This celebration one is free, right? You can just get it. It doesn't even cost you any Hostess Rewards. So you always want to look at those fun things in the back of the catalog. Now, right now, I'm going to also show you the, there's 3 different Hostess Rewards in the annual catalog, and this goes all the way till, is it June of next year? So you want to kind of keep these in mind. There's this cool Sit, Stay, and Relax stamp set, the Garden Grandeur if you're into flowers, Begin with the Dream if you want to have something about relationships and people. And then what we're talking about today is more the paper, right? So there's this fun design, a Daydream paper, and there was a typo in here. It says 12 sheets, but there's actually 48 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. Huge, right? It's a huge stack of paper. I have it almost all gone. It's been chopped and I've used it for so many different projects. I make these swatch books. I like to look at the paper sometimes, and it gives my customers a little touch and feel without having to drag out my chopped up stacks of paper. And is it like the first one on the bottom? Where is it here? Had I pulled it out to show it to you? I had. Okay. So here you can see there are 12 different designs, 4 of each. These are all kind of soft colors, kind of springish actually, or more summer pinks. And it always tells you in the description, let me get these out of the way here. And if you ever want to look at those when you're over at my house, just ask me and I can pull them out. I don't always have them downstairs when we're stamping. But at the bottom of the description, it tells you which colors are in here. So if you wanted to get some cardstock to match, ink, ribbon, you know what colors to get. And I also do have all that information on my little swatch book, so that when I say I want to design a card using this paper, I can just see which card base I want to pull out. So let's get to the current mini catalog here. This is the July to December mini catalog. Now, I totally missed this paper until I got a piece of it in a card swap, and I didn't recognize the paper and I couldn't figure out where it came from. So then I finally pulled back in here, because it's kind of like, it doesn't really show it very well, does it, in here? But it's really fun. It's called Celebrate Everything. When you reach $150 in your order, you'll get $15 of credit. It keeps building, but that's kind of the starting point. And that would be enough to purchase this. You'd have to throw in an extra $3. So this is a $30 value. Again, you have 48 sheets for each of 12 designs. And it is truly Celebrate Everything. So it's got a whole bunch of different like holidays, right? And then the other option here is the Caroline Mice, which is really cute too. I had to get that. Anyways, let's take a look at this paper. Hopefully my light is good enough here so you can really see it. Now, these sheets have all been cut off from my swatch book, so I thought they were kind of a little bit easier to work with here. So I'm going to show you the one side first. I mean, aren't these awesome? You know, you've got some that are Christmas, but some that are just, what would you call them? I'm thinking non-denominational, but that's not the right word. Non-seasonal. Look at this. How cute is that? Halloween. Stars, kind of any season. Some more stripes, fireworks. Cool, huh? You can use this even next summer. Here's a fun, this is the piece that I used on my piggy card, right, for my fall birthday theme. And then we've got this pink, could be Christmas, right, but it wouldn't have to be. Some more fireworks. Oh, and you know, I just remembered I pulled out one of the cutest pieces for a scrapbook page, so it's not in here, but let me show it to you. There's some yellow ones. I don't know why, but I always gravitate away from yellows. I don't know why. So isn't that paper gorgeous? And I mean, 48 sheets. What a steal. Now let me find that piece that I used. So I was actually putting together scrapbook pages, not actually putting them together, but I pull out a sheet of paper and put it in a box, and then I put my pictures and then a couple of cardstock pieces that I want to use for layering, and then I kind of have it ready for when I go to a scrapping event. And I do that when I get my pictures. Well, actually, I had like almost 2 years worth of them to do, so I have like this whole big stack of scrapbook pages that I need to make. Anyone relate to that? Like tons of stuff to do, right? Anyways, I fell in love with this piece, so I had actually pulled it out to use for that. And then the back side is just some fun green and lines. And I just wanted to show you close up this paper. So hope you like it as much as I do. And when you get your $150 order in, you can order that and for like $3, right?